I'm Nathan Minnix. I'm with Altec Industries, located in Daleville, Virginia. Also an adjunct instructor for Virginia Western Community College. The Virginia Community College system will take people fresh out of high school, some who are still in high school, and bring them up to an acceptable level so that they can get an entry-level position and begin their career. Without this education, I feel that we're going to be in a major deficit with skilled employees to go into the workforce. The reason I chose to move into teaching really stems back to when I first started my career in welding. When I went to work for the first time, so many of the older people just didn't want to tell you anything. And I looked back on that and I thought to myself, if I can ever be someone who can pass on knowledge that I had to learn the hard way to save somebody some time in their career, that's what I'm going to do. You think back to my generation, when we were in elementary school and middle school and high school, we were taught fundamental skills, reading a tape measure, reading a ruler. Throughout the past 20, 30 years, that has been removed from early education. The community colleges work directly with Altec by having face-to-face, one-on-one, clear communication. We set the expectations for what we're looking for in new associates, and they listen. Find your workforce at a Virginia community college.